Today's a big day, not only for you, but for your lawn. You finally decided to upgrade your sprinkler system, but that means you're going to need more than one controller to run all your valves. There's only one problem. How are you going to install your new controllers safely without the risk of interconnecting them? You can't just connect the same common wire for all the valves to both controllers. And how about wiring both controllers to the same pump or master valve? That might not be such a good idea either, unless of course you want polarity issues or feedback. You see, connecting multiple controllers together could not only cause false start times, but can also lead to blown fuses, or worse, blown controllers. So, what's the answer? Isolator. Isolators allow you to operate more than one controller on a sprinkler system and protect it from all the interconnection issues having multiple controllers can cause. It acts like a firewall, allowing only one controller at a time to access the system while protecting the others from damage. With Isolator installed, you can have peace of mind that your controllers are automatically protected every time they water. Now you can enjoy all the features of your new controllers without worrying about how to make them work together. Isolator. Get yours today. www.EasyIrrigationRepair.com